Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be going through the SQL function. Those are starting with M and N. So here I have already written down the SQL functions. Those I'll be telling you in this tutorial, and I will be explaining with the example one by one. So here I have the first function is the map function, map map. So using this function, it finds the value. Suppose if I give you example like this 2 you are actually searching in this long array list, so it will search for a the number 2 or whatever string you write here, it will write, and then its corresponding result. Suppose here I have written 2, whatever you can write here. So if you write here suppose SAP, then I will just execute this line. Just let me see it, what is the result. So the result is SAP, meaning that the first letter whatever you put, that should be the searchable object, and once it finds the object, then its corresponding result it will then show here, and if it doesn't find any value such as 2, then it will show as null. Now going to the next function. Next function is MemberAt. So for MemberAt is used in the case of array. Here suppose it will show the value where the position is 4. Let me just show you it. First we have to create a table, and the table is created. Then I will insert a few records in it. Okay, just let me check it. We have to change the name of the array. Let me create it now. Now array is created, and I will insert 2 records in it. It is also created. Now I will show the data for MemberAt. So I will execute this. Then from 6, you can see the result now. Here you can see that it is null and 40. So I am seeing the data for position 4. So in the first array I don't have any value in position 4, but I have values here in as 40. So that's why we are seeing this result 40. Now coming to the next function is the month. So month will show the value 5 here. It will just show the value which month from your time field. So it is so the month. Now coming to the next one, the month name. So here your 10th is the month it's showing. So it will show the name of it, like here in this case it will be October. Let me execute this. You can see it is showing October. Now coming to the next one is the month between. Month between, it finds the month in between the two time field that you put. So here the to date is to convert into same data type. So we can easily now find the month between two dates. Here you can see the month is only 2 difference. Now next one is the nano 100 underscore between. Here it will actually, you have a 2 timestamp, and in between it will show you the exact difference of the timestamp difference. So I will show you this. I will execute it here. You can see 477, meaning that you have a 2 same date, but the timestamp value is different. So it will find the difference in between this. So using this function nano 100 underscore between, you can find the result. So the next one is the nchar. So in this case it will show you the ASCII value for 65. So it is A, A is the value for 65. Now coming to the next one, the next day. So in the next day, it will show the value for the next day. Like here in this case, 31st December. So it will show you the next date of this. It is 1st Jan 2023 is the next date for this. Next one is the now. So now will show the current time. Like what is the current timestamp now? You can see that it is here. Next one is the nth value, nth underscore value. So here actually it will show you the value, whatever position, the nth position, whatever position you put it, it will show you. So I have a table here, create table T, and I will insert some data here. And now I will show you the nth value. Column 1 means the first column, and 2 order by column 2. It means it will make a order from your this column, and it will show you the values. Let me just execute it. So the value is 700. So here basically it is making an order by comparing the another level, another column. Next one is the null if. Null if is very important when you are actually comparing two string. In null if, suppose if your two values, two strings are different, then it will show the first value, first impression. And if you both the impression or strings are same, then it will show you the null value. Let me just execute null if. So here the result is diff. I mean the diff and same, these letters are different. So the first expression will be the answer. In the next example of this null if, here both are same, both the expressions are same. So in this case it will show the values as null because both are same. And next I have three more functions written here. Those are NDIVO. It is used to find the result, like if suppose 100 is divided by 0, then it will show the answer as 0. Or otherwise, if suppose 100 is divided by 5, the answer will be 20. So it is just like a division function. Next, coming to the max min, as you know that max, to find the maximum of your whatever field you have, and min is also opposite, just find the minimum of your field. So that's all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please look into the other SQL function tutorial, and also please look into the other tutorials in my channel. Thank you again.